Hey YouTube, what's good? It's Kasia here. Welcome back to my channel. We're in the kitchen today. I like to cook. A lot of you guys probably don't know this, but I do like to cook. And I actually cook kind of a lot. But today, I was craving a BLT. And by the way, they're one of my favorite sandwiches. And I figured, let me record it. Put y'all on if you haven't had a BLT before. Before we get started, make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you're notified when I upload. And like this video, comment down below some more foods you guys will want me to make, and I'll try to remake them. And follow me on Instagram at curlyhairkasia. Okay, and yeah, let's get started. So what you're gonna need is bacon. I'm using whatever brand that is. Okay. And then you're gonna need tomatoes. Well, I'm just using one tomato, but I have 4 right here. And then lettuce. Should I turn this light off? I think it's better like that. Sorry, the lighting is really bad. It's really gloomy outside. Maybe if I could open this door, make some air in, or yeah, that didn't do anything. But okay, so I'm gonna put you like right here. That's better. Okay, so first, since bacon takes the longest, we're gonna cook that first. And you can take whatever brand of bacon you want. I'm just using these non-stick ones. Fun fact, they do kind of I'm just gonna stay right here. Okay, so I'm using these non-stick pans, like I said. And they say they don't stick, but they stick a little bit, but they're actually good. I like them. They're very resistant. Pretty easy to clean afterwards too, so that's a pro. So I'm gonna turn the thing on and I'm gonna put it to medium. Don't put it too high. And you guys, I like my bacon cooked all the way. I like it almost to the point where it's burnt. And I probably should cut, yeah, I'm gonna cut the bacon slices. You need to go potty? Okay. Sorry, I had to let my dog out. Okay, so. I'm getting a plate. Get a plate. Get a plate. Get a plate. So you guys can just pay attention to right here. I have the stove on, by the way, and I'm just gonna slice this bacon in half, because obviously my pan isn't that big, but if you have a bigger pan, then do what you want to do, boo. So I'm just gonna put the slices in there. I'm gonna do 2 pieces at a time. Take this piece. And I'm actually gonna cook all this bacon. I probably won't vlog all of it, but because it's just a little bit left and it doesn't make sense to cook 4 and then leave 2 in there, you know. And also the bacon is gonna shrink, so that's okay. I'm gonna wash my hands, you guys. Make sure you wash your hands before you touch anything with your raw bacon fingers, okay? That's really important. It's called, I think it's called cross-contamination or something like that. I don't know. I took a food class in high school, and yeah, so I kind of learned to wash my hands and be cautious of how I, do stuff like that. Okay, There's like 3 pieces left, so I'm just gonna cut it right here. And then we can move on to whatever we need to move on to. Cut that, slice that bacon, boo. Slice that bacon. Oh, I love bacon and tomatoes, you guys. They're like my obsession, and I'm not even kidding. Like, you can ask my boyfriend. Like, my boyfriend, his mom always buys tomatoes, and I'm always there like, can I have guac? Can I make tomatoes? Like, not make tomatoes, but you know what I mean. Yeah, boy. Good girl. The bacon right now cooking. And also I have the bacon chopped already. So I'm gonna, once this bacon cooks one side, I'm gonna start cutting the tomato and stuff. So I'll get back to you guys when I'm done. So as you can see, the bacon is cooking. Still got a few pieces to do. And I have a tomato here that we're about to cut. And then I have, alright, so I grabbed the new knife. At first I was like, what are these called again? Let me flip this bacon real quick. I'm using a fork to flip the bacon, because there's another piece that is done. Can't get popped in the face anymore. No more of that. Oh, is you good, girl? Is you good or no? Okay, now that that's done, we're gonna take our tomato. I'm gonna rinse it. Always make sure you rinse your fruits and veggies. So now I'm gonna cut off the end, because I don't eat the end. And I'm just gonna chop it like this into tomato slices. You guys hear that? Bacon, it's talking. Okay, here's my chopped tomato. Now that that's done. So, since my bacon's almost done, I'm gonna start doing the bread too, because these pieces are done also. Oh my gosh. This bacon is done. She's a done. She's a done, 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 done. Put in that more bacon. Ouch! Okay. Ooh, I almost dropped the phone. I put in more bacon. Now, let's get over here to the bread. You can use whatever kind of bread you want. I'm using white. You should use wheat because it's more healthier for you, but we don't have any wheat, so. Anyways, I like to toast my bread. This is obviously very optional, but I like my bread toasty, so I'm just gonna put that in this toaster right here. Sorry if I'm not showing you this. I'm gonna plug her in. And we're gonna put her on like 3. Put that in the toaster. Now let's move on back to the bacon. I'm gonna have to flip it. So this piece is done. Now that we have everything, we can start building our sandwich. I'm just waiting for the toast at the pot, baby girl. I'm just waiting for her to pop. My friend's supposed to give birth probably today or tomorrow. Congratulations, Haley. So I got the tomato plate right here. And bacon just a cooking. Put this back in the fridge. Back in the fridge. In the fridge. Okay. And here is the tasty bacon. Oh yeah. So we're just gonna put that on the plate too. Oh yeah. I get so excited. I probably should not dance the knife pan. That was not a good idea. Don't do that at home, kids. Done. So, that's how my toast looks. Now, get some mayo, Miracle Whip, whatever you want to call it, boo. Boo-hoo! I'm sorry, I'm just really hungry and now I'm just like talking just to talk. Okay, so I'm gonna take the mayo, put it on whatever side you want. And just gonna apply that like that. Self-explanatory. Hopefully you guys know how to put mayo on a sandwich. I don't know. And then put that there. And then I like to take my bacon and I have to like press it into the bread because then it like stays in the mayo, you know what I mean? It just stays more. It tastes amazing. And then we're gonna put our tomatoes on top. Bacon, lettuce, tomato. No, just kidding. We're gonna use lettuce first. I'm gonna wash off this lettuce. So that lettuce is washed off. I hate that piece. You guys hate certain pieces of lettuce? Because I do. Like, I like the leafy stuff. I don't want like a stem or like... Those just aren't comfortable to eat, I feel like. That makes sense. I don't know. Okay. Pack that baby on there. Like that. Okay. Now, tomatoes. One of the best parts. Nice fresh tomato. And pop that baby on there. I'm going to use both of them. Oh, yeah. Okay, now we put the top on. And voila. You have a BLT, baby. Bacon, lettuce, and ranch. So good. You guys make this at home. Try it at home. Let me know if you like it or not. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry it was kind of everywhere. Make sure you check out the rest of my videos on my channel. And yeah, have a good day. I love you all so much. Bye-bye.